Ebusiafo ene adofono mema obibia akwaba ede eba too much GHS so Ghana wahala dwumedi na ebre asose ene nsumunia ba ekwesi kapamede ebeso musene na deda ye no na ene deyi ye abrantie bia ne din ene ye Maase sorry Mugabe Maase wono waba abonten na ne nsem ode ababetu edwan abusuafo esewani ensese ye ka edetwo ni nyina ye ka ne Agyapong ba wo bo ni din ewo eye na to the seashore eno dwada ebra wo si enkonya no wo yiyi asofo atrofo ebia na chese wo bobo na jogezi ene eye ni nwuma boni a wo die na ma brante ni din ekokopie mu ebie ewo hono amano amfa no eye watra kra se eye asem keke ama wono susu kotena eye Power FM na fidie kase so no wono susu ato amane mane eye wonabo Kennedy Agyapong etwa no adapa eye papa na ebusuafo se de ensem no esi ekon ebinumu ne se ada bi abrante ne de wo ye ne enye ne kwan so a eno na moma yenko ni nkonkotie eye ensem a woka edefa eye wonabo Kennedy Agyapong ho anam eye ni die kokopie mu emra no woka na jogezi eho ensem fan ekwan a wo fa so enya information ede hwenkom eche John Dramani Mahama moma yenkotie eye yenua eye Mugabe Maase ne ensem a watoto ede ama wonabo Kennedy Agyapong ye ba ye beto a ensem no eso
Bagabiga Kennedy Agyapong. Tampiri Kennedy Agyapong. Bagabiga Kennedy Agyapong. Foolish man son Kennedy Agyapong. I'm ready for you today. I'm ready for you today. Bagabiga. Tampiri biga Kennedy Agyapong. I'm ready for you today. Baby, I want to be ho amrano. Anyame ho. If you meet me in the afternoon, I'll meet you in the evening. If you meet me in the evening, I will meet you during midnight. Menya bete. And I'm saying international. Mi jina ho na me na okasa. Baga Kennedy Agyapong. Baga biga Kennedy Agyapong. Baga kanamaiba. Baga biga Kennedy Agyapong. Foolish man son Kennedy Agyapong. I'm talking to you. Kwakuo opuro ade atesa wu Kennedy Agyapong. Okotena na tu na wudi Mahama atem. Na sabi uke jimisem. Ade ni opuro no kura mani gye ne ho. Sa frog no kura mani gye ne ho. Yeah, what John Dramani Mahama, and we are proud of him. We have John Mahama, and we are proud of him. Maybe John Mahama or Tiffy minimum. And I Kennedy, listen to me very, very well. Maybe yes, I'm telephone or Mosaria. Woman, la Sula Lani Bio, Mema Bobra. Said ya would you who deserve Bobrano, Mema Bobra. Kennedy, I'm telling you today, say, can't be anyone who but Adam I was Asisua, meet me to Saka Anibi. My Bobra. If you be anyone bet me see at Nema, meet me see self ye be. I'm telling you, Messembe, my Bobra. Be careful. So what do I for front of first and chef will be aso? Now but radio so. Now cast Amma Swale. What the haya what Madina. Bushiana. Momono. Wabaha. Mofa dear money trim. Muria metia. Useless man like you, Kennedy Agyapong. I'm facing you today. Come out. Last 2 weeks, moye meeting. Meeting na moye yano. Gonja ni bi anu wa John Mahama mamuom from Savannah region. What are they mentioning Mugabe? Last week here Friday, Statesman newspaper, number one front page. And then Tuesday, Friday, and then Monday, almost started agenda. No? You can't stop me. I'm unbreakable, unstoppable, and unshakable. Kennedy, and then we are make catch now. Sa Ojai, Nigeria black na money papa bia. Now what position what John Mahama, Memuama, where you're going, Jenny. Sa Nigeria black be no muku woman. I nothing. You know what I'm talking about. Mucha nyai. Sa aye gonjani na monja na ofri Savannah region. Ya wade ni na yesi wase John Mahama man dem machi and wadamu na wada adamu no. He's a joker. Boy empty. That man, he is empty. I'm talking as a man. Mr. Tanya nani amrenenya bini mosini. Canada Agyapong, I'm giving you this warning for the last time. Don't sit on your TV station or your radio station and mention my name, that name Mugabe Maase, on your network again. And we are with last warning. Ya me de mawo. Baga biga kanamaba. Baga biga kanamaba. Asurubu atesawo. Wo pro tesawo. Stupid man like you, useless like you, Kennedy Agyapong. Ya wo sole awo ho panie insulin ansan wo kwa adwuma. Wo treat said 1967 box iron. Useless man. Useless man son Kennedy Agyapong. Useless man son Kennedy Agyapong. Come out. If you are a man, come out. A man better. But most of us will face you. TV na two na kan kwase asem. And we have useless hosts like Adan who condone that stupidity on your network. I'm sending the signal to you this afternoon. I'm telling you. You there, make a wrong move and you see. Make a wrong move and you see. I'm not a meswale. Menya a meswale. And I menya a JB Dankwa. Who answer Biana or Bibia Yanwa? As a brother, I see you. Why your video for someone please in Zaba? Kennedy. Oh, fire Tiwasa Tiwako. They say we are comfortable. With those managing the affairs, we are comfortable because still any hobby. But what do you have for friend Beko Biaswa? It's not me, Mugabe. The moment you mention my name, I will not sit down and allow you to destroy me. Me, what do you call a year ubi nemoso? Omo mere omaja wonam ho. Obafo ka kire osa wonum nipa moja brabantene. Ada no adoje obafo na de kofa sisira amafo so. Ana wo de adu prophet na Agezi. Nti wo be kan na Agezi a wo se odi Mugabe yeden e be fra. He. Me meti wono me so so se me kwase asem so. Usika fin na ekura wo no tie usika fin no ya wo wafa embrase bedwani bi ne na wo mienu e wo mbrase bedwafi a wo ne na wo sa keka se sa mbrase bedwani na wo ye second born won se wonte wonye no. Stupid man like you who that audacity sa obeka asem afa John Mahama ho o ma yesen Kennedy o ma yesen e ma dodo sa na wo ne o ma wo ma me tonto se wo East Lego ha wo so dey na wo di amafo papa ne wo ma me matem. And I mean, was just 5 minutes for you. So we are useless. About you say, Buagum say you wine. No, we die with sorry, I know did your Mahamatem. It is time. Let's stop them once and for all. Let's stop them once and for all. Ya jeja omate. Anti Canada Agyapong free say. Now no ha. Momosofuna mowa. Ni na hu ekuro. Sa sofuna wapon ho te sa preko no. Ya waware na ya ja nan no. Ekuro da ne na ho. Ekuro sa sofuna wote eye agene gano no. Ekuro da na ho. Ekuro na da na ho nti waware oba bia wapeso oba ne ntafri kuro num. Nti wan tafri ma oba ne hu so temi tafri ma no wafri ho. Waware na ya ja nan. Sa odwan no kura moni gene ho. Sa okot man no moni gene ho. Let's be proud of what we have. Wodi akwabadu ko bi so. Obi nim so. Wodi akwasisi amafo so. He is attacking the church. Now Kennedy Agyapong is attacking the church. Nyakopon aden. Everybody for them way. Where are the men of God? Where are the men of God? Wo ye moja. Wo sa hu nyina ye moja. We see JB da kwa wu yami na miduru ho first. Okoye den. Daniel Asiedu say, why your video aba? Ya ko social media nyina hwa bie say, JB da kwa wu. Wunim hu bi bra bontin be yi wa no. Amesole one out now TV so say, but what Madina, momo no, Obaha amofa de monitor movie a metua TV live. But one day the table will turn. Power ni be change. Na wa ukwa bi wa yitire na so so daye. And I will divert your attention. And when you useless people around your area, or radio station, or TV station, say enyan no mugu hono. And mama platform tell you wow station into na Ghana ha one won say we CEO of a radio station or sorry Casbe money dispatch money angel mo no mo sorry o ma betre mo radio station no mo to mo. Useless man like you. Come out. Never me dimbium. Mama sa audio no. And some of on the 2 TV no. Me 2 million no match this. Mama na minti. Some and some na jageze cafe yesi hu nyina no. Me na mko chechire na me. Ana some aben. Said the kwasu wo yisi. Eniema na jageze hu ni 2018. Yeah, and nay bibia da die no. Yisi anim guase a omo ba abeje. Ani die omo ntime ntwere. Eno na Kennedy Agyapong ya soma asa kwaye sa pa we mfo adwuma ne dia opapa ba bi dia fa me se menye ameswale menye bete
Power FM
na udimi ho agura you run ubedwane ubetum na mo medika se 10 year na ne emre na nye bi ni mo sini ba me matra ba bi e hotoro sa won kofo no send them. I'm waiting for them. Send them. Momomra. Foolish man like Kennedy Agyapong what no can some folk adwo mahama ho. Na this for my din. Na mo say Jimmy for yare for we. Ya one ho pani an pa bia sa na akwa adwuma.
Power FM.
Sickler like you. Jimmy for te se kwaku oba. Apoturo we. Ya one ho insolent an pa bia one ho pani asa na akwa adwuma. Foolish man. Na wote Ghana na ka some folk afajo mahama ho. Na obi aye din wa ndisi mo obi ansori. Yarifo we. You do go be an access less than 12 hours. Now wusu. Foolish man son.
Power
we need more time for him. Well, he doesn't worth my attention. Say, Mami Fanisi no metrase. 300 million angels on guard. Send your boys to come. I'm waiting for them. Yes, sir.
Question come. Wow. Because here 2020. One Tini. Mama Hamagunia, what's the big? Because nobody will believe you again. In Tiania, in Rona Oko 2 or Gambia, Fabra, now this young boy, we share the pictures and say, kind of 1 month, they are sick. Very, very sick.
Power, the
go out with this guy. Hariana Mupe, si cap San Juan or the moment. Koshinia, or more fakey, Equajika free Mahama. Yeah, in some more Kenya about easy. It's given to him by Mugabe.
Mugabe Maase.
Yes, Mugabe.
No. Obi akọ Facebook live. Power 979. Na kwahwe opro. Na hwe na jagezi. Kwahwe ade bi ba te se Kennedy Agyapong. Baga bi ga kana ma ba bi ya woda so. Na hwe prophet na jagezi. Na wo sa oba na o parliament a woni ne wu mienu no. Sanka wono onya ade bi ba nka wo benya ne na wo. Monkeys play by sizes into wo nipa focus and phone what wo say the usu ba no ho sitie no ho ba na onya no na one ko wumi no woni sa oba na o parliament ni wumi no no wa ware ana ware stupid man like you wo ma me ton toes e wo East Legon wo so dey na betena radio so na wudi ama for ma me no mo papa atem ate say the o ma me o ti Jupiter ani ye jano na sebe what in TV so no wo kan sam phone e kire Ghana for we hwe ne se ene na no na bodwe say we bema we kwakuo we would you hear prophet na jagezi ne gina ho no ya wa say prophet na jagezi no wo hwe ne picture ye de ne picture kire no na no me se obi bia me wo betumi su wo ba sore say obeti ame no I will bring you down adia na wanya wa chemota ho na jagezi na mane ya je ne kasa ne wo na mo je ne kasa no mo we Post phone and omoji na jagezi cast e watch mota where are they? Who say man no dey? Dia na ekoso. Post phone and omo chase na jagezi e je ne cast ya. Wo mo je cast ne say gise we o wo mo we. Mo manya software ekuro da ne nan. Sa software ne kuro da ne nan. Wote ajenga no. Wa pon ho sepreko. Wa ware na ye ja nan mi monidi. But Kennedy Agyapong mo nim no. adenti na kana Agyapong watrase a ontumi attack me o kama sama na watwam wow TV so say sa aya oyifo no mama no manitie o mo de ne to sat ne onim sa wo life wo di no krofo na tem no mama no na manitie Kennedy me say me menya journalist for na o mo sere no menya journalist for na o mo sorry a o mo ni na mama for office la sula no matra ho me say ka bia wo Kennedy wo betimi ato adam bia me mabobra metimi ato sa ka ne bia dem efie bia wo besi bia metimi esi bia dem stupid man like you awe mo nam no mo betra TV so no mo divert attention and tiwa adana tiwa free ho wani age tiwa free see at the headquarters ho wani age and what divert attention no election year and ayi or the say Reverend obo ayi obafo na see an crofo ko attack in him is life Reverend as a opoku obotuo and the backfire what dem court in him is life Reverend obotuo and a backfire sa sofo na ekuro da ne nan ya emro no ma ye ne fie ma enkwa ye ne fie ma ya ekuro da ne nan ya wamiamia enwuda ya waware nan agya nan no sa kwase no kura amoma ne gye ne ho useless people obesori a wo de me makotena wo TV so ana me ka NDC fo ho mo celebrate me ekina me birthday ana NDC so eye 10 June ana Mugabe ye 10 June NDC party no ya wo party ni 10 June ana me Mugabe abitie wo me 10 June hwa ekofo bibia ne wo mo be yo mutimi ya me say wo makofa papa bia papa ne wo gonjani Dwamahama man appointment sa gonjani no one wo mo nenam last week 2 weeks my omutwa anwa enantwie na twie tutututu mienu sa omude omu na besi so mo Dwamahama mapawa stupid man like you now wo yenyame betra we say obi akọ Gambia e mana no ma wu bebre no say wa ye ore ho ade e na one nam wo kura we wo Kennedy we ma ne woda wo mi hu picture kura na me wura ho sa wo be ma we wa bodwe sa abu agum say eye akusi a wasi ahini wo we ema ne woda udwai te say okana ma ba hwe na jegezi mfo nyina me de ato ne hwe Kennedy Agyapong onim odwan we wasori ana odi Dwamahama atem na NDC for no ma yidin amote ho esi 2016 and now no a COVID in the breaking niema wo ma sa hye and now somebody let my vote count for enyan no apapon ne eye chaso usu ne aboronyamo sa agofo no de hu ma eye group yo manim ahom nyina de ahofeka from Kennedy to chaso usu to aboronye to apapon omu nyina de ahofeka mo se da na mo di Dwamahama atem Dwamahama na tiko ana tise mu nipa no de mo ni gye ne ho no na tiko na tise nanim ono kura se mo ni gye ne ho I will not mention names but ono kura na mo ni gye ne ho useless people mo de mo fa me wo so we will meet you there me wo share me wi a me share won adwo wo ye B0mbsheII wo ye frɛ Kennedy Agyapong come out na bo Dwamahama din sa waye we 3.5 years muntimi court and I'm sorry a Airbus na niama Airbus kwasiafo na ye jamo na monam na mokasa nwan ana obi atime ka kire am say de be mo ye ni jeminim but one no ka kire party say o mu nyina obi anim nyansa wo I will not sit down never and allow these useless people to attack Dwamahama every day. No, I will not sit down and allow the lives of Abronye, Kennedy Agyapong, and then Apapon. It's useless people. No, Omugusu attack Dwamahama. Say Dwamahama yo modan. Me say modiano manage ho a momodiano kurano manage ho a yeso ani gye de ho. We are ready for you, Kennedy. We are ready for you. I say, send your boys. I'm waiting for them. Send your boys that they should go and crush Mugabe. I say, I'm ready for them. Gosh. I'm ready for them. I'm ready for them. I'm ready for them. Send them. I'm ready for them. I say, I will not say we are ready. I'm ready for them. Send them. Okay. When I'm baby nanzem same. When I'm waga nanzem same. Tampiri bafana na mana di kabala. Nirba ya kabena togo yaga no ngomie. Bufana mana si Joma Hama. Joma Hama. Joma Hama. Joma Hama. Joma Hama. Nyami ya dawa. Joma Hama. Nyami ya dawa. Yase. Dayikie. Yase. Yase. Dayikie. Yas woto. Nyami ya gonja biga. Nyami ya gonja biga. Bate munafiki da mafa sineb nore. Nyami ya gonja biga. Yikin gome. Daman siye. Yikin gome. Tikan pidama fa sineb nore. Munafiki dama fa sineb nore. Wakata tabe. Dazin wotoye. Dazin wotoye. Yiki. Yiki. Yiki yase. Tikan pidama fa yisi. Wul bamte nyami ya gonja biga. Nyami ya dawa. Munafiki dama fa seti. Fa yisi. Tikan pidama fa man si bala. Ti wul bamte tuni ya dawa. Tuni ka pagbiye. Power 97.9. Mekasa say that. The President of the Republic call your boy Kennedy Agyapong to order. Maybe you do know. You do where we, and we are going to march them boot for boot. Allah. Inshallah. 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 John Mahama. Nandikame. Baga kabe ina tugun yiki. Baga bi kabe na tugun yiki ye. Nin yetana ya dofa ayiki jese. Tampir dama. Munafiki dama. Yiki jese. Tuna mwuri gablame. Tony ya daba. Ya utubala. Yel semi. Oheneba. Mwakwaba.
Mugabe Johnson.
Biaboko.
Trade ampado.
Position microphone here, man.
Biaboko.
300 million and just one God. But I've a audio, no man.
Okay.
Attention.
More bogus television station. We're very bogus.
Yeah, bogus.
We're
Technical
very
challenge
bogus.
na eba.
What do you mean by technical?
Yes.
Power the fan.
Yes.
Do I have to sit here as a guest even to tell you what to do? What kind of bogus program are you doing?
Yeah.
No. I'm very, very pissed.
I know.
What is that?
I know.
You are all dumb people sitting here.
I know. Until the
You know what? You know what? This is a murder case. Are you stupid?
Yeah, fetch
Are you stupid? You're stupid.
Fetch producers now. Producers also
What?
mama and your man.
What kind of stupidity going on here? What kind of stupidity
Power
is
the
this?
fan.
Pictures in way and your
Please.
standby so that we call for
This
it
is a
quickly.
murder case.
We get it quickly.
Me, I'm a tired of
Yeah.
that. Show way.
Na
Are you dumb?
yentimi ehu niama na chairman so entimi en comment e wo niama no chairman we there you need
Don't chairman me here. Don't chairman me here. You are destroying the station.
Yeah, I crave your indulgence.
What kind of stupidity is this?
Producers
What classic from about 3 o'clock?
Yeah.
And look at what you are producing. Me now some catch us say, what show where? Stupidity is
Power
this.
the fan.
Pictures in way and your
Please.
standby so that we call for
This
it
is a
quickly.
murder case.
We get it quickly.
Me, I'm a tired of
Yeah.
catch us say, show way.
Na
Are you dumb?
yentimi ehu niama na chairman so entimi en comment e wo niama no chairman we there you need
Don't chairman me here. Don't chairman me here.
I
You are destroying the station.
yeah, I crave your indulgence.
What kind of stupidity is this?
producers
what class from about 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
And look at what you are producing. Me know some catcher say, what show way.
Power FM.
Ow!
Thank you. You tell you know what run the 2 TV ka farm.
Yes, Mugabe. Isi unsam nyina ono okochichire enema no ene hom de akopeska. Me catcher mama, you have to be careful with Najagezi. Wow. Where a prophet. Yes, Mugabe. Heri na mupe. Sikap senkwan no de mama. Ko hwinia ono ofeki ekogika free Mahama. In some Kenya, but it's given to him by Mugabe.
Mugabe Maase.
Yes, Mugabe.
Yeah. It means me ya juma we yisi. Afiyenti Sambia Najagezi kaye 2018 na me Mugabe me ma radio so. Na sa time kwa mini Ghana ha. You go back. Another useless man. Najagezi Sambia waka. Ghana has a chef on Obi Amo, Mugabe Kwane Bebo. Eti Mugabe
Power FM.
A quadrant some new yisi. Ah, that's a mitiminia de Akosu yisi, the anachas a Kennedy Mabing. I just am a bear for Palmedy, who are dear. Mitimimu de Akosu yisi, bra a year Najagezia. Not just a Mabing.
In the country, listen to this. I am a mouthpiece of God, and I tell you what the law says. The options lies in our hands to accept it or to reject it.
Power FM.
And it is our unalienable and undisputable right and option. The law said, and let the major listen. If you don't take this thing, there will be chaos in the country. The Lord told me, my name is Prophet Nigel Gazi, that the Electoral Commission of Ghana will bring a new order. The Lord told me emphatically without any ambiguity to tell the nation that we should reject it. Hear the word of the Lord. The Lord told me, my name is Prophet Nigel Gazi, that the Electoral Commission of Ghana, let civil society listen, and let people who speak and in matter listen to this. Say yes, the Lord. Say yes, the Lord. The Electoral Commission of Ghana will bring a new order, and we should not accept the new order. So we accept the new order. It will plug the nation into anarchy. The Lord said, I should warn the nation. The Lord said, I should tell the nation Ghana, that the Electoral Commission will bring a new order. The nation Ghana and the good people of Ghana will reject the new order, because if we follow the new order, it will bring anarchy. It will bring chaos. I have spoken as a prophet. Let those who have ears listen to what the Spirit of God says.
15 minutes to 3. Whenever
Moga,
be other na kwem.
Me da se.
See what's the sense mo.
Moga, na me ra ho ho.
Aden.
Me wa yoro ho mo pa because early in the morning me on semini adaje sememre na madaje kokohe Canadian Agyapong TV. Ma pon djuma ma bra no a ma kofia me kwa kope ba bi ada no. Mini adaje amede kwa koye Canadian Agyapong TV. Me kra no se enye video bi mu ebeba out crank nim se na tu no krati ase a eno eye recorded eye ayi wo mo ye no Facebook and say TV anka se wo
me se nya dia me hwe
okay itu kra wo nim say Facebook
ko se wada aja ko hwe obi a wo se omu nyina omu ye ayi Bogos. What's on one kind? And I want it.
Oh yes.
Say mo ye dwuma nyina omu ye Bogos. Na Bogos program name ko tia
na enra me mant nene ena me saka videos bi a yase Canadian Agyapong e de Ewura John Dramani Mahamede enuoma be semienu ena me tie free sansem we mu ba ko Canadian Agyapong ese ema na agimi na wanka se ema bi na wo se ema na agimi
ena be me bi te se
yes
who ni pictures no
good ena wosan ekoka se girl bi a na jegezi kwaje ne car na waye Ewura John Dramani Mahama ne kanchema ne mpna
Yeah, Nigeria and then Linda. Muga.
Yeah, you see any police station you knew be a one daje. You be shiao.
Muga
see the hojo mama de kako ye ho hwe.
Muga asama meka ene say.
We meet them.
Ghana fo nyina enti asem we yi say. Canada Agyapong. So on fa na yire chi da. On fa pra na amu na hudua. Muga unim.
That's a parliament.
Dabi
Parliament to you know.
Oh yes. Muga, do you know something? Yawa ensem bi wo ha wo ho. Eni ho kwan kra se wo ye be ma. Wo bie wa no kraka. Na eya mama ti adi se Canada Agyapong ni hunni ho no. Eya mama ti adi because be ma bia ne hunni ho no. Wo hunni nyonko be ma se wane ema kra gina ho di nkoma na ni bre
tie insulin wo watch a
ai eku be ma eti ne de no eno no
ana ono ano pa bia wo wo no
ai ne hunni ho
nti awu
oh yes
wodo benada
yes because the way eya mama die de said ye kasa
obi o feelings bia ne ho ahi
perfect one
ema no
yes eti eya mama die de sa eti mesra ema no say
kom ne nkire
ema mo bu fu sa ema no mesra mo
obi ho ba na ye ne ya
yenu ya no ma madaroma ema mo fa Canada Agyapong asem nyasem na Canada Agyapong te Ghana hai wa kan sem bebre Charlotte say wa kan sem bebre o kan sem bebre fa ne ho
pa ampa de ne nya adwuma
yes because bema bia ne ho nya adwuma no ana ne ho ni ho no wano do ho sese bema ne oba kra gina ho di nkoma na ne buafu yes
what jealous
yes jealous
yes ana maka no
na
what jealous ana ono so what insulin so wa watch
enti ayama die amanfo keka se Kennedy hu ni ho me dia me nyoba it won so me hweye ana me fo ba bia ntra ne hweye na mom dia me tete sai ne hu ni ho no eya ye no kore because na tie
onko pe prostate capsules
NPP for said that
we hear prostate capsules
ma me ka se mu nkyira
ana betie se Kennedy otimi ka se oba na se bon wan ka mi a kira afia so se
o ka bi kira afia so se
na oni afia so se ne ga kodada
ano ne nada
na oba oni ne kodada no se ede ne hu se na se bon
se na me ka no
ya wo kire na eduru a won koto
na me kira se ba bia Kennedy Agyapong waduru no stage no waduru mu no na mo ga ma me ka se bi se NPP for said that committee say yamfa Kennedy Agyapong ma Power FM
oh
enti se
best up on one
yeah why you no say okwa no akwa asem waka asem e betena ha instead of say and some wo papa ye beka magana for
useless man say intimate say more than 10 minutes
ye devote your time nyina e wo Canada Agyapong ho sabin prediasa wono akasa no ho no wontumi nwi dompe wontumi nwi na ntwinam wontumi nwi bibia na se egu na num nyina ye roba
nko esi egu na num
na make say roba
and office alternative so amanfo hwe
oh yes woni se obi a wa bi anim se Canada Agyapong ti we woni se ena Canada Agyapong sori ama bobra moga ede abra no wabo wunu aba no a waye basa no ne nam ho no Canada kofa ne bra fie wona wonim ba bi a wode na fa ya ama wunu aba ye basa ya na japade wade aboso ede na si zongo jansen no ne dia wodo si
onko fre ne nu aba ne
onko fa ne nu aba ne mra what you say sadio Ghana ha yete no
Canada Agyapong no made na ama na fa wadwe
Canada Agyapong obi anim
dambi na wo
huru nkukuo mu America what way we ya dem bob bra no bon way
kitchen porter
aye jade na huru nkukuo
tie anu America no mo friend kitchen porter
yo na wo sister ene mi kunu koken ho ya kwate won ya te won no ya we de won kwakogu mu no ena mo transfer mo japade nyina ba wudin
ene wo ne
na wo sori ya mabobra wo
koken bra
sebe mpedi asekro ma ye nyina ne yete Canada sama mi kan me boa na ye enye no kura be yi hu ano ye kura be yi
adwuma be na no ye
o huru nkukuom
no kitchen porter wa America
wo eti susu kwan
ye nimwase
but when say mesre asofo ne say there is a particular person yesterday you know say one fighting the kingdom of God and send pano eye Canada Agyapong na asafo na hwe yi a wadi aba obinim so and wadi aba na jegezi so
but prophet badukobi
but let me tell you something obinim Canada Agyapong I am not disposed person for Nigeria and Nigeria nso nye kurase ni se wo no aba be so
ko school ni moma
na ade aba ko ye pese ye kama wote ase se Canada se wonim sema no yidi a ene abrantie senzi dondon se wo ena o mani ku JB dankwa eti bla ba yi hu ano
ene video no de bae
yes
social media
what the video bae social media ba bia trend
ya wa
abrantie se wo
JB dankwa wu ye wona akọ hofe
mo abranteɛ no sɛ wo
ɛna wosoma
ɛna wode ne tena pick up mu ɛna wokɔsi no wɔ hɔ ɛna wokyerɛ ne gya bi da nkwa fie ɛna wɔbɛwura hɔ ɛna wɔkɔɔyɛ ɛkɔku no ɛwie yɛ ba yɛ no frɛ wo ɛna wobɛfaa no Kennedy
ɔbɔ aberanteɛ bi sɛ aberanteɛ frɛ no alote
yo
na wonim sɛ alote no wɔmo ne sa kɔkye
sɛsi dɔndɔ
yo
ɛti yɛkɛkyɛ Kennedy Agyapong sɛ
na adɛn no mofrɛ alote ɔma mfrɛ ma woko
yo
dabi mebisa si adefoɔ no ɔmo frɛ ɛyɛ alote no ade no saa issue ni baeɛ no ɛbɛtɔ me no so wɔ no montie FM
okay
ɛna mmerante no ɔmo ane walk to the studio so ɔmo ne kɔkye sɛsi dɔndɔn na sika a wase yɛde ma wɔn no yɛfa ma wɔn wɔn ne ɔmo kɔhyɛ kokɔ ɔmo kɔyɛ meeting sɛ ɔmo mmra abɔnten mɛka ma ɔmo mmɛka hwee sɛ ɔmo na kye no ne mo mposifoɔ no bɛyɛ press conference sɛ ɔmo na akɔkye no wɔn na ɛhyɛ batakari a ɔmo sɛ sika no ɛna bɛsi na ada na mawoko sɛsi dɔndɔn ɔbɔ din no ɔbɔ alote din wɔn ma mawoko din.
moga sɛ memete yɛ iwa ho sɛ obi bɛbɔ me din sɛ makɔdi awu na ɔhene babo ama ɛka ho a adeɛ kora ntem wɔ me dɛm ne yɛba bɛkyeme
thank you
na mmom ɛyɛ dɛn na aberanteɛ yɛbɔ ayi Kennedy Agyapong din na bɛsi nɛ yɛnkɔ nkɔkye Kennedy Agyapong amɛsoa lewuo Kennedy Agyapong na yi ne video ne ne pictures ɛwɔ TV so ɛne yɛku aberanteɛ ama Amerikafoɔ tumi yɛ detain no na ɛba ne sɛn ɛna bɛsi nɛ saa nsɛm yi ate akɔ akɔda I think sɛ it is time yɛ wɔ sɛ nneɛma bi wɔ ha yɛbiebie mu ɛma Ghanafoɔ ɛte aseɛ moga. Let me come back to the issue, the main reason why.
Wei ene eye ensem a anase se de wodi na tem esi efai na Ghanafo binum epo anu so yie kwakwakwakwakwakwa ama binum e de wo mo entwere ye bi aba no mayenkenkan eye adwenkyere ni bi a eba ye fa ensem yi ehum yenua eye Bekon ode eba o shameful people. NDC is not coming back to power. Stop spitting on the mic. Now we are not hearing you. Yenya Calvin Theophilus ode eba was saying, this nasty Mugabe very disgusting. You call yourself a human being. Shame on you. Yaw a free ode eba was so is every issue has to be addressed with insult and threats. Are we safe at all? Destiny way anyone also so na dwen twa wade but since Ghana and someone else so nyina dan e be ya edidi atem ene eye ntrene bo ana inti Ghana yempo timemu fa yewom no ye okay ye save aboni bia entimi enkan yen anam eye papa pizzo e dia wade ebe o say let's pray for our beloved country. This man has a disease of insultation. Yemia Robert e dia wade eba yo say so what will you get after all these insults? And the Bible says respect your elders. Josephine Ediode Eba will say you sit on your radio every afternoon and insult the president and his ministers every day, including some top pastors in Ghana. And when Ken comes after you for just one day, you are over here crying blood. Now, Mr. Mugabe, you see how painful it is when someone insults you. Only one punchline and you are over here crying. If you don't want anyone to talk about you, then stop talking about others also. And also so edia what they ever yeah and no say Mugabe what one no what sorry who didn't crofatim chadapa. Ya honorable Kennedy Agyapong would dear what make his sentence kekeno. She said the ne or betina radio so who so intino so won't so be back once a month once so no meme will be a home asem. Eagle Edia what they ever I say I'm surprised the youth are backing some of these old people called leaders. These old men are not part of our futures. They are not even thinking about you. Stop supporting this useless politician and think about yourself. Yemfa a commenter a cha etwana yemfa NC. Yemia Patrick Asante Edia what they ever I or say we all know this orchestrated by We all know that it's orchestrated by NDC to destroy Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. You shall be put to shame very soon. NDC is a curse party with its president Mahama. it is ignorance or what lack of knowledge aba we ene eye adwentwene bi a eba ye efa eye Mugabe Maase ne nsama wodi aba betu edwa na de wodi eye wonabo Kennedy Agyapong atem no we ene abinum adwentra wo mo ede eba won so wo fie san ena wo hu ensam no ACF of adwentra bra e wo too much GH comment section e bi mo so share your videos no e for my busuafo ene etie for subscribe to your channel no so wonya ya like your videos na follow your IG page so @GH_ na emrepem no adwentra mo de betu dwan meken kan ede ama midin ene ekwesi kapa dasene yebesane hia makramo.